Check it out, Troopers. Today I'm in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We are at the Baton Rouge Orchid Society show. This is in Windrush Gardens. I didn't know anything about it, but I thought I'd come out here, look at some beautiful flowers, orchids, and you may find it interesting as well. Let's go see what's out here. So this is day 2 of this event, and I just found out about it. It's not too far from my place. I would have came out here earlier. From what I understand, they're about to wrap up in 45 minutes. But here are some of the people showing their orchids and such. This one right here won an award. It's a beautiful yellow one. Did you know there's over 2,000 varieties of orchid, and they can grow anywhere, any region except Antarctica. And there's actually some that are native to Louisiana. Maybe this one is. It won second place. Now this particular display has got some bright lights that shine on their orchids. I love the purple ones. This one also won second place. So there's obviously several second places. Look, there's another one. They're all second place. Maybe second place is the equivalent to a participation trophy in the orchid world. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. It's just a observation, guys. Look, here's one. There's a different color. First place. Let's see how beautiful this one is. This is a first place orchid. And, you know, I'm no expert. I'm no expert, so I can't cast an opinion about it. This one is another first place winner, and it's a beautiful long stemmed purple orchid, guys. Purple, and those are beautiful. I don't know what they're judged on or how this works. These are some more with another display all lit up. And we have a lot of winners in this group here. There's a beautiful purple second place. Here's first place. Another tall one. Maybe the height is how they are determined, because that's another tall purple one. Here's another first place. Got a way up there, guys. Some of these don't look like they have reached their potential yet, but I don't know. So I want to get a close-up of this one for you guys. This one won first place. There's a bright light. I apologize for that. But it looks like a sunset. I just talked to the person who grew this. She's from Biloxi. And they put all these in their vehicle to bring them to you guys to be judged.